Entering rehab for addiction treatment can be a daunting yet rewarding task. There are a variety of ways to make the most of the experience. In this video, you'll get some insight into some of those ways. This video may be especially valuable for persons going to rehab for the first time or for someone who has gone before, but would like to get more out of this experience this time around. Most of what's discussed here are ways to make the most of the time you spend in counseling sessions. After all, in many instances, rehab stays are comprised of many counseling sessions. So grab your pen and paper or just a listening ear and let's get started. If any of this info is useful, subscribe. Here are 5 suggestions that are good for every session you'll attend in rehab. 1. It's okay to take your time with opening up during sessions, but try not to leave at the same level of disclosure as when you entered. 2. Be honest during your sessions. After all, your counselor will address what you share in most instances, and if you share lies or nothing at all, you won't likely get as much out of your rehab treatment. 3. Work on practicing the coping skills that you discuss with your counselor. Also, know that it is okay if some of these coping skills don't resonate with you. Just be open to trying a variety of coping skills. Remember, when you leave rehab, you take your coping skills with you if nothing else. 4. Arrive on time and be fully invested in your sessions. Arriving late or too early could cause someone else to miss out on all of their counseling time. 5. Try to always keep your treatment goals at the forefront of your mind, and spend as little time as possible complaining and arguing with your group members and staff. Now, I'm going to pause for a moment so that you can jot down any notes from the screen. Next, let's review some things you can do to enhance your group experiences. 1. Try not to be distracted with side conversations or arguments between group members that spontaneously occur. 2. Consider having a notebook where you can jot your questions down and ask them when you have the counselor's full attention. You may even prefer to ask these questions during your individual sessions. 3. Try to get at least one takeaway from each group session. 4. Try to share at least once during each session. Your ideas and feedback are appreciated and valued. You will likely share at least one thing that someone else needs to hear. 5. To stay calm and focused during group, try coping skills such as deep breathing techniques, doodling, coloring, or have sensory item available. Now, I'm going to pause for a moment so that you can jot down any notes from the screen. This is the last set of suggestions. These are ways to enhance your individual counseling sessions and to get the most out of them. Remember, you are a partner in your counseling sessions, and they are not something to just sit through. Instead, you should use your counseling sessions to process deep emotions and to make sense of difficult thoughts and memories. 1. Be invested in collaborating with your counselor to develop a treatment plan that fits your needs. 2. Try to complete your homework assignments, and you can even suggest some homework assignments that may be of interest to you. Your counselor will likely be open to that. 3. Discuss your preferences with your counselor. For instance, do you prefer to write your homework assignments through journaling or completing worksheets? Or do you prefer to discuss your responses during sessions? Do you prefer long sessions or smaller sessions throughout the week? These are the types of things to discuss, and it's okay to share what is and is not working for you. 4. If you want a family session, let your counselor know as soon as you become interested in that idea. Most counselors will be open to family sessions. 5. Be patient with your counselor when it comes to your end date. In many instances, your treatment team, company policy, or regulations influence your release date. Those things are often beyond your counselor's control. Yet, this is something that you can discuss with your counselor. Now, I'm going to pause for a moment so that you can jot down any notes from the screen. Entering rehab will be one of the most significant decisions that you make in your sobriety journey. May these suggestions support you in getting the most out of your rehab stay. If you have additional suggestions, please list them in the comments. Thanks and have an amazing day.